Well, we got our first peek inside Amazon's North Randall distribution facility today since COVID-19 began. The facility has stayed open throughout. Employees start their day by having their temperature taken. Once inside, there are sanitation stations and PPE for employees to wear. They've also staggered and added shifts so employees can social distance. Even with precautions, cases do pop up from time to time. Amazon notifies staff through text messaging system when there is a positive test.
Amazon does a terrific job of tracking the rate of infection inside each building versus the local communities. And this building has been at or below that rate. So we're more focused on what our mission is. And even with those numbers, our mission does not change. What we do in the building is to create a safe place for our associates to work.
Employees are also required to wear gloves, packaging your products, and sending them out to you.